In this video, we're going to learn about bar graphs. So if we have a problem like this that says, Mr. Wright's class talked about what their favorite color was. They decided to prepare a bar graph of the data. The graph below shows what color each student's favorite color. What is each student's favorite color? So the first step is to look at each bar individually. So we're going to look at the purple, then the green, then the yellow, then the orange, okay? Then the next step is follow the line at the top of the bar horizontally across towards the left. So let's do the purple one first. So here, this is the top of the bar, and we just need to move across this way towards the y-axis. This is called the y-axis, and this tells us the number of students. So finally, read the number on the y-axis where the top line for the bar crosses. So for the purple one, the bar crosses at 8. So we know that 8 students have a favorite color of purple. Now let's do the green one. So for the green one, the top of the bar is here, and then we follow along here, and we see that this number is 6. So we know that 6 students have a favorite color of green. Now let's do the yellow. So let's go to the top of the yellow bar, and we move across this way to the y-axis, and we see that 3 students like yellow. So that means we can put 3 here. 3 students like yellow. Then finally, for orange, we go to the top of the bar and we follow along all the way across till we get to the number where it crosses, and here it's 5. So 5 students have orange as their favorite color. So we could put that in as 5. And that's how you read a bar graph. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Anyone can do math. You just need to probably watch it one more time. If you need other resources, in my description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook and you could follow along in the ebook this exact lesson. Thank you very much for listening.